Coming to you from That Canadian Lawn Guy channel, bringing you October 20th work. Boy, it was a busy day. Good morning, everyone. These photos here are the before pictures and then after pictures of a patio that my employee cleaned up. This picture here is some bushes that I trimmed back. It was pretty bad, and now it looks so much better. This is the before pictures of some bushes that had died and I trimmed back. Here I'm using the MS-170 Stihl chainsaw, and I'm taking out some dead bushes that have been here for a while, but I just hadn't had a chance to do this for the customer. So I cut them quickly, and here's an after picture of the job. This is a new customer of mine. I'm doing a cleanup of the leaves. They want me to come weekly, and they just really care to have a really nice property all the time. So I don't feel rushed to do this property. I want to take the time and just clean it and then bill for that hour and a half. I understand you're seeing this in turbo speed and you're probably laughing that I say that I'm taking my time, but this is me in the backyard of the same customer I just talked about, and I'm using the Exmark 21-inch push mower bag up stuff that I've raked up, and I'm at the first of the video I was blowing with my BR800 blower just any leaves I could get off, like from any of the vegetation that was by their patio. I really love this property. I did a mulch video. If you go back, I'll leave a link in the top. And there we go. We're all finished this property. We're doing a walkthrough showing you how clean the property is. There's still more leaves to come down. Like, we'll definitely probably come back in 2 weeks, and then there'll be the same kind of cleanup using a rake, using a push mower, using the BR800 blowers, and just bagging up the leaves and then putting them at the curb.
Okay.
This property is fun because they really care for the special details. So like, I weeded the flower beds, I mulched the gardens, I cut the grass, and I'm able to charge like a premium price because they want me to take my time and do it well. So these are all the customers I really want in the future. Like, the money is not a problem, and they just appreciate quality. This photo is a backyard my employee cut that he bagged with my Toro ZX4800. Hey guys, thanks for watching the video. Just remember, when you're out there working tomorrow, just really appreciate how lucky we are to be in this industry, and how beautiful it is to be outside every day and able to do this kind of work, and to be so thankful for all the customers we have. Anyways, until next time, take care. See you on the next one. That was another Canadian YouTuber video.